Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 200 moving average in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go this one, indicators. Click on it and type here moving average, and choose this one, moving average simple. Okay, click on it just one time. And this one is our moving average. Now let's make it a 200 moving average. So all you have to do is go to this arrow right here, click on the SMA and click on the gear icon. Go to input and here on length type 200, okay, because this one is a 200 moving average. Now if we click on any place, you will see that the moving average has been changed. So let's click, for example, here, as you can see. Now go to style. You can change the color if you want, so I will choose white for this one and I will make it thicker from here. Okay, so I will choose this one. After you finish, click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 200 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.